Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a TextFree account. So firstly, head over to your Play Store application, then try searching for TextFree. So as you can see now, it is telling me that looking for TextFree second phone number, this app isn't available on Google Play in your region. So I'm going to be showing you how to get this app on your device firstly. So firstly, search for the Super VPN. So I'm also going to be dropping the link to this VPN in the description below. So that is the very first VPN you're going to be seeing here. So then you click on it and install it. So I already have it installed here. All I have to do is to open it and connect to a USA location. Okay, so you just have to click on this fastest location area, then look for a suitable USA location you would like to use. So let's say I'm using Arizona for example, or let's say I want to use Dallas, so let me just use Dallas. Okay, so now it is connected guys. Then you go back, then go to your Play Store and long click on it and app info. So you just have to do here is to clear the storage and the cache. So once you clear the cache, clear the storage, then for stop the app. So once you're done for stopping the app, open your Play Store again. So now guys, all you have to do is to make sure you have 2 Google accounts on your Play Store before doing this. So you just have to switch to the second Google account on your Play Store. Alright guys, so I've successfully switched to my second account on my Play Store. So all I have to do is to come back here again and search for TextFree. Okay, so now guys, the app is now showing now. So I just have to click on it and install it. Alright guys, so the app is now done downloading. So this is how to get the TextFree application on your phone. So I'm going to be making another video on how you can create an account on this and be uploading it very soon. So if you want to get that, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video and also share to others. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll also be sure to upload a video soon on how you can create an account on TextFree. Thanks for watching.